How to convert picture to text in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can extract text from image by using the Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, first we need to come in Google Drive. Just open your just log in with your email ID and come to the Google Drive. Okay, then Google Drive will be open. Now we need to upload that file or JPG in Google Drive. So you can upload file from here, or you can simply drag the file from your folder. So I just open the folder beside and just select this image. You can see this is image. This is not like any document, it is like PNG image. So I just select and drag it, so it is start to upload. Okay, so you can see this image has been uploaded here. Now just right click on it and go to the open with and open with the Google Docs. Then Google Docs will be open with this image, and in first you can see the image. It is like image form. Okay, you can delete it, and down you can see after this image you can see the text has been created, and you can edit this or delete this as per your requirement. So I just first delete the image, and I also delete that line. I just copy it, select the text, resize the text size, and just select the change the text color. Okay, so when you convert image to text, or when you extract text from image in Google Docs, so sometime what happen, the spelling will be spelling will be right, but some format like it will be, you will have double spacing, or maybe you will have another like changes. So you need to clear the text. Okay, so for text cleaner you need to use this option, text cleaner, and you can remove the line breaks, you can remove the paragraph breaks, you can fix the hard line break in plan. Okay, you can also remove the multiple space, or you can remove the tabs. Okay, so for that you need to go to the add-on, and from here just search text cleaner, and just I use this extension, so just install it. After installation you will find this option here, and you can clean the selected text. You need to first select the text and go to the clean the text, then it will be work. And now you can see the text has been clean, and it will be settled in proper way. So that is how you can extract text from image, or you can convert image to text. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.